How to fix Epic Games not sending verification emails. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see how we can fix if Epic Games is not sending verification emails. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you can check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes you'll have an email from Epic Games under your spam. So go to your email spam or junk folders and search for the emails from epicgames.com. And if you could not find it there, you could search for your inbox using the search bar and then type epicgames.com or Epic Games verification and check if you could find your verification code there or not. If that does not help you, then try to resend the verification email. So once you're under the Epic Games account settings, you have to click on an option as resend verification email under your email section, and after that you may get the verification code. So go to your email again and check for the verification code. But in case if that still does not work out for you, then you can use a different browser or device. Sometimes the browser issues can also block the action, so you can switch up to Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Brave too. If that still does not work out, then try from your another device or phone. And if none of these tips helped you to recover your problem, then you have to visit the Epic Games Player Support. So here under the Chrome, open up a new tab and then type in Epic Games Support, Epic Games Player Support. Once you're here, go to the first link. So once you land on the support page, you can choose any one of these options here. Follow the on-screen instructions and there you will have an option as contact us. After that, you could explain your issues and provide your Epic ID and email, and then send your request to Epic Games Support. After that, it will review your request and will get back to you with the help. So follow the instructions properly and carefully. So in this way, you can fix if you have a problem with Epic Games not sending the verification code or the verification email. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.